Hi, I'm Eliran, and today we'll teach you how to wrap a Sudra on your head. We'll open the Sudra to a square. Now we'll take the square and fold it to a triangle. Once our triangle is ready, we'll make 2 additional folds. And now we can flip the Sudra. Take the Sudra and put it on our heads. Make sure to have this small pocket on the top of your forehead. And now we have 2 parts. We'll take the right part, wrap it from the back of our heads to the front, and take the edge and tuck it in the small pocket we previously made. We'll do the same part with the left side and wrap it from the back of our heads to the front and tuck the tip right in this pocket. And this is how you wrap a Sudra on your head.